Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you how I have customized OJS theme template. And I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and also if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog. Please contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, you will hire me for your services. And back to OJS. See guys, here is OJS homepage that I have customized, like header, the hero section, and this I will do later, and footer section. And guys, I must say few things. I am just doing this, means I will fully customize this later, but I just shown you the home page. And also see the login pop-up as well. See, here is login pop-up, and also I will do same the register pop-up friends. And after if I will come with more theme customization for OJS. And friends, also if you will have any kind of work related to OJS, then feel free to contact me anytime. And also I have made one plugin for OJS that I will show you later as well. And this is just a beginning demo. After it I will come with more tutorials related to OJS. And friends, till then, have a good day and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.